want to do you know? New link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Attack.
Goosebumps than to see that. That's the same stay lockdown.
Yeah.
And you know what the people them do? Is the same mass exodus that take place at Portmore last night? Of all my years of being a doctor, not never give me goosebumps than to see that. That's the same mass exodus that they had from one point in Italy to the next. And then everything. When now say corona I will kill everybody, it won't. It will kill maybe about a 2% of people. But what we're saying is that the 2% of the Jamaican population, we don't have the resources to do. And it's going to reach a point where people, you go in your house with dead body because some of the countries them adapt them after do.
Yeah.
Them in them
yeah,
house with them relative dead and nobody in them pick up the bodies. And we don't want to.
This is Dr. Foster, you see me? Yeah, man.
Don't get there.
Facts, straight facts we are talking about.
Some grow, me know how it go. We grow in a one room, we grow in a tenement yard, we know say in a 1 yard at 20 away. We can't have no social distance.
Yeah. Alright.
Here what we do, we just have a look of bleach, clean up a look of place and we just say ray and stain.
Yeah man, we have to abide by the rules them.
Everybody can afford.
So if you don't abide by the rules them, I'll be a problem.
We have to go look it for cook it, we know it go, people hungry, we know how it's here when they really have it like that and when them shut down everything we can't also we can't look around up.
Yeah, but bro gotta try to save the people in life.
We have to just make a look of sacrifice.
We have to sacrifice. Have to sacrifice.
We know how it go. People are drop like fly and a that we don't want.
Yeah, alright. People, right now, we're on a really sticky situation.
And listen right now.
Viewers and subscribers, a real thing, the man attack. You hear? A real thing, no joke thing. You know what I mean? I'm one of the people them continue to listen to the thing because, yo, a real thing, the doctor attack, you know what I mean? Both the female and the man, so just listen through.
The place I get crazy. You understand? I mean, I don't want nobody to fret. But I reality we are talking right now, we're there in the outbreak stage.
Yeah, man.
You see me? An outbreak stage there now, you know, people. So we have to discipline, you know. The whole fleeing and all them things, they not going to work right, you know. We have to abide by the rules, them. You get what I say?
And the wickedest thing in our Coombs last night, me dey on Portmore and come over with my kids, man. Everybody, no man, me clean man, clean that away. On right, you know?
Yeah.
Everybody I leave Portmore when everybody should have worked together as a team to say, well, if I have this thing, I'm going to get to find out because other people life at risk.
Yeah.
Now think about yourself, think about the other, if you're another man, man who love it his life too much, I surely die. No say enough to love it too much, protect it.
Oh, wow. You hear that? Alright people, I hit that you know, 500 now, please, thanks. Go and stay safe and make sure you put on your mask. You don't know it go. Keep the link. Stay in.
If I piece of mask them.
Yeah.
Combs do a thing yesterday about the mask. We just some of them face masks than 200, but I better you have a little 60%.
Yeah.
Than you have 0%.
Because some protection better than no protection, you see me?
Deal with the mask, them go out hustle little thing, find something to do, and just sell on the mask and wear them. I remember.
Wash your hands.
And social distancing. No man, people, a real thing still. So just make a go on. A whole heap of people that try.
Well, people, big up on yourself, man. I don't know the thing, alright? So, that are the Jamaican gangster doctor. Because gangster doctor, I call him in the people. I understand, and they must speak out with another doctor named Dr. Foster. And basically, they decided from when they said they have update go on a Portmore when the Prime Minister released, say, yo, you know, Portmore got shut down and the people them move and them just create a video about, not basically say them talk about Portmore, them talk overall where about this virus people. And hear them say, a lot of people, you know what I mean, in a Jamaica maybe can die from this thing. And in a joke thing, people, plenty people, to all the things set right now, you know what I mean? And just imagine, if the world, say the world, just saying, the world about 100 million people, and if them say 2.5 million people, that 2.5 of the population can die by this virus, people. You look on 2.5 million, you know, out of the 100,000, a whole of people that, you know, just check, but the world have over much billions of people, so you know, say we are going to look for, yo, all my world, all my peace just know that. But that's a hope, you know, go like that way there, you know what I mean, hope it can be better, hope it can be, you know what I mean, this virus thing can flush out. Before that, you get me as a people, but it's serious thing, people. And the people in this have to follow the right protocols, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, and just obey what the thing I say. Obey, as man tell you, obey what bro God I say. You know what I mean? Because bro God do the right, you know. Bro God do the right to try to save Jamaican people in life. But the people them have to just abide, you know what I mean? And as them say, social distance, we know say it hard for many Jamaicans do that thing because we grew up in a way where they're close to each other. But in times like now, people, we have to practice it. You get me? I say, have the bleach, have the sanitizer, them, have everything we know that's necessary to help on the back out of them thing of people. Because in the end, them thing are a serious thing. So, you don't know a thing of my viewers and my subscribers, man. You know, it's not nothing to my viewers, them, you know. Now my subscribers, now my fans, them. So, you just go and protect yourself, and Jamaica, stay safe, and the whole Caribbean, the whole works, the whole people, man, you don't know. And the whole link, you know. And we have to peace out, I chat them.